everyone, I'm Gina McFadden of Dancer 360. I help elevate dancer health, body, mind, and soul, and I'm super excited to be teaming up with Apala to bring you this quick and easy yoga class today so that you can take a few minutes out to care for yourself. I personally am a huge fan of Apala and their work with their compression socks. Definitely check them out. You can check out my work at dancer-360.com and in the links below. Now for our class today, I want you to pay attention to your body, pay attention to your breathing. If your breathing becomes strained, that's usually a sign that you're pushing too far. So definitely honor your body and where you're at on your mat today. For instance, if we come into an upward facing dog, and that's not within your framework for today, you can also choose to do something like Cobra instead. So definitely listen to your body, definitely breathe while you move, and enjoy this easy flow.
Standing tall, breathe in as you reach your fingertips wide. Exhale as you press the air together in front of you. Inhale as you reach up tall, and exhale as you press out and down. Breathe in. Breathe out as you press. Breathe in as you lengthen. On your exhale, slowly begin to tip forward from the hips. When your back stops, go ahead and round forward. Make sure you're relaxing the back of your neck. Coming into flat back, press the hands to the floor. Breathe in, sweeping the arms up, back to standing. Hands through prayer and back to mountain pose. Breathe in as you reach and look high. Exhale as you swan dive forward. Breathe into a long flat back. Exhale as you press your hands to the mat and step back to a high plank. Take a few breaths here. Make sure you're really pushing the floor away to protect your shoulder girdle. Draw your navel toward your spine and think of a long neck. Breathe in as you shift your weight forward. Lower your knees to the floor as you lower all the way to the mat. Breathe in, coming to Cobra. Exhale back to the floor. Breathe in as you come up to Cobra. Exhale as you come down. Bring your thumbs to your low back. Interlace your fingers and breathe in as you come up to a Cobra. Stretching open the front of your collarbones. Continue breathing here. Draw your shoulder blades together in the back. Return the hands to the floor and push back into a gentle child's pose. Walk your hands over to one side. Take a nice deep breath in. Walking back through center and over to the other side. Again, fill your lungs. Feel the stretch of the ribs. Bringing your hands back to center and then make your way up to tabletop. Take a few cat-cow stretches here, flowing with your breath, breathing in as you arch, and then draw your navel in as you exhale all your air out. Finding some stability, bring your fingertips to the back of your head and draw your elbow toward your other elbow, gently twisting the spine. Breathe in as you switch to the other side. Exhale as you twist. Breathe in, elbow back to the side, and exhale as you twist. Coming back to center. Scooting one hand forward and then the other by 2 inches. Then hover your knees off the mat by about 3 inches. Again, pushing the floor away with your hands and arms to protect your shoulder girdle. Take a few deep breaths here before you gently lift your hips high, shifting your shoulders toward your thighs, making your way into down-facing dog. Take a few movements here, pedal out, whatever feels good to you, before finding some stability and stillness. Take a few deep breaths here, feeling the length of your spine. Lift your heels high, look toward your hands, and then walk your feet up to meet your hands, bending your knees as necessary. Let's take a ragdoll here. Grabbing opposite elbows, Gently shake your head yes and no. And release the hands, soften the knees, and begin to roll up one vertebrae at a time. Let's come back and bring our thumbs to heart center, taking this moment to set an intention for your practice today. Making your way back into mountain pose. Breathe in as you reach up. Exhale, swan dive forward. Breathe in, finding your flat back. Exhale as you step back, high push-up position. Take a full breath here. As you exhale, lower down to chaturanga. Inhale to up facing dog. Exhale as you lift the hips high and back into down dog. Take a full breath here. Then breathe in as you lift your heels. Bend your knees deeply as you look to your hands and walk or hop to your feet. Inhale to flat back. Exhale to forward fold. Breathe in as you sweep up. Then bring the hands through prayer and back to mountain pose. Breathe in, sweep high. Exhale, forward fold. Breathe into your flat back. Exhale, step back to high push-up. Inhale as you shift your weight forward. Exhale, chaturanga. Hold those elbows in. Breathe in, up dog. And exhale into down facing dog. Full breath here. Breathe in as you lift your heels high. Exhale as you hop or step to the front of your mat. Breathe into your flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, long spine as you sweep up, bringing your hands through prayer and to heart center, back to mountain pose. Inhale, lift high. Exhale, forward fold. Breathe into your flat back. Exhale, step back to high push-up. Breathe in as you shift forward. Exhale as you chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, down facing dog. Lifting the heels, bend and look forward. Bring your feet to meet your hands. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale, long spine as you sweep up. Hands through prayer and back to mountain pose. Taking a moment here to reconnect with your breath before we move on. Breathe in, sweeping up high. Exhale, sit back, Utkatasana, chair pose. Make sure you peek down and that you can see your toes just in front of your knees. Breathe in, bring your hands to prayer. Exhale as you gently sit a little deeper. On your next exhale, spin the spine to the right. Breathe into center. Exhale as you spin to the left. Breathe into center. Exhale, twist. Breathe in center. Exhale, twist. Breathe in center. Bring the arms up. Feel the length of your spine before you bow, forward fold. Relax your neck. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, hop back or step back into your chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, down facing dog. Inhale your right heel high to the sky. Exhale, bring your knee toward your nose. Inhale, lift it back to the sky. Exhale, toward your nose. Inhale, heel up to the sky. Exhale, this time place the foot toward in between your hands. You can use your hands to assist. Coming up to a high lunge. Now bend your back knee, lift your navel in as you extend your back knee, finding your crescent pose. Spin the back heel down as you open the hips to face the side, finding your warrior two, reaching through your fingertips in either direction. Lift your right heel off the floor, press the knee toward your pinky toe, and then set the heel back down. Flip the front hand, gently reach back. Looking toward your fingertips as you cartwheel your hands down to the floor. Step back into down facing dog. Inhale your other heel high to the sky. Exhale, knee toward nose and plank. Breathe in, reach the heel high. Exhale, knee toward nose. Breathe in, reach the heel high. Exhale, knee toward nose, and place the foot on the floor. Bringing your hands to your hip, bend your back knee. Make sure the pelvis is not spilling forward. Then gently go towards a straight back knee, bringing your arms high to the sky, enjoying this moment in crescent pose. Spinning the back heel down. Make sure your alignment is your hips facing side. Reach through the fingertips. Flipping the front palm, gently reach back, looking up towards your fingertips. Lift your left heel, press your knee back towards your pinky toe, and set it down. Take your reverse warrior one more time before you cartwheel your hands to frame your foot. Look forward. Exhale as you step forward, bringing both feet together. Inhale to your flat back. Exhale, bow forward. Breathe in as you sweep up high to the sky, and exhale, back to mountain pose. Now we're going to move on to a little balance. Inhale as you raise your arms high. Exhale as you lift your one knee up. Inhale as you reach wide. Exhale, float just the knee open to the side. Breathe in as you reach your fingertips. Exhale, draw your knee toward your armpit. Breathe in. On your exhale, try to get the knee a little higher. Again, breathing in. Exhale, assist your foot into tree. Your foot can be on the floor or on the calf, just not right on the knee. Taking a moment to find something still to look at. Let's begin to grow our tree arms up toward the sky and then blossom them open until you bring your hands back to prayer. Wobbles are fine and part of the process. Let's try that on the other side. Inhale the arms high. Exhale, float the opposite knee. Inhale, arms open. Exhale, hips stay still as the knee floats. Inhale, reach your fingertips wide. As you exhale, draw the knee closer to your armpit. Repeat that again. On your next exhale, assist your foot toward your leg into your tree pose. Bring the hands to prayer. As you focus on something still, float your arms up as you grow your tree, and then blossom the arms open, feeling the space all around you before returning your hands to prayer. Nice balancing. Now I want you to make your way down to the mat for a little bit of boat pose, sitting up tall, fingertips behind the backs of your thighs as you lift your feet into your boat. Reach the arms side. Breathe in as you reach up. Exhale as you bring your arms open. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, press the arms open. Keeping a tall spine. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms open. Breathing in. As you exhale, twist to the right. Breathe in back to center. Exhale as you spin your ribs to the left. Breathe in center. Exhale, twist the ribs. Breathe in to center. Exhale to twist. Breathe in, both arms and legs up. Breathe out, boat. Again, breathe in, arms and legs up. We're almost done. Breathe out. Breathe in, arms and legs up. See if you can hold it here for a moment. Enjoying this moment of effort. Breathe into boat. And then rolling down, enjoying this moment as you lengthen your spine down to the floor. Draw your knees into your chest and allow them to sweep to one side. Maybe turning your head to look over your opposite shoulder. As you exhale, just allow the spine to gently wring out. Breathe in your knees back to center before you repeat on the other side. With each exhale, feel your body relaxing into this twist. Bringing your knees back to center, give them a hug before you bring your feet one at a time down to the mat. and then bringing the backs of the hands to the mat. So we're making our way into this relaxing Shavasana at the end of our practice today. Taking a moment to relax the space in between your eyebrows. Relax your jaw. Feel the gentle weight of your shoulders pressing down into the floor. Relaxing your hips, your knees, your ankles, your feet. And gently feel the pressure down into the mat as you enjoy this moment of stillness. Then begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes and take a big stretch before you roll over to one side, curling your knees in, taking a moment to pause in gratitude for all that your body can do, and making your way to a comfortable seated position. You can keep your eyes closed if you'd like. Attend to your posture. Bring your thumbs to your heart center. Draw your thumbs up to the center of your forehead. Bring your thumbs to your lips, and bring your thumbs back to heart center. Out of mutual respect, one for another, we bow together and say,